My name is Zada and I make Shakara. All day long, yes, ha ha ha, Shakara. Oh Lord J, Shakara. Oh Lord J.
So today we're going from Barcelona to London and it's 5 a.m. I do want to wake up everyone, that's why I'm kind of talking low. But yeah, I'm gonna brush my teeth. We ate a small breakfast and we're off. So we're at our gate, kind of trying to figure out which gate is ours, but they haven't dropped the information yet, so we're waiting for that. And this has been very stressful, but we're here. The line to go through, like, security check was super long, but it was moving pretty fast. But it's still kind of intimidating to see when you're not going through it yet. So we got through. We're on time, gonna be good, They were like messing with my liquids. Like, I have a big bag and they basically wanted in a smaller bag all the liquids I had. But the guy who was checking me, that size bag, and I have like that size bag. So the guy who was checking me, me out a little bit, he's like, open your bag, close your bag. Shout out to him. So yeah, we're on our way to London. So we're on our next flight. Well, we boarded anyway. And we're ready, you know what I'm saying? This is not Spirit. We won't talk about Spirit, but y'all, we're stressed. But we're navigating the London transit system. We're here. We're stressed. Come on. Oh my god. So, we're here in London, yeah? And there's a lot going on. So basically, the train line that we needed to get on got stopped because there were some issues on it, right? So we're trying to get help. The people at the airport are like, oh, I don't know what to tell you. Clearly, you have to make some type of way. Anyway. Finally made it to the train that we need to get on. It's like we've been told so many different ways to get around. Finally, have to get to the one that will get us to our Airbnb. Someone else has been giving us some false information or just useless information. So yeah. False alarm. We were not going the right way, and now we're trying to find the right way. People are not really giving us the best information, man. I'm tired of that. I just want to lay down, eat some food, and it's cold and it's raining. Come sweet. We're both over it at this point. Yeah. We're super over it. So we finally made it to like our stop where we'll be staying. But the path here has been very it's just very annoying altogether. Like everything from the time we exited the airplane, even before we exited the airplane, just wahala upon wahala. And I'm over it. I'm tired. I'm gonna lay down. I don't mean to be a complainer, but this rain isn't helping either. On top of that, we couldn't even sleep yesterday. Like, we could not fall asleep last night. So we're quite irate, and we're trying to, acknowledge this to make sure that we're like, it's not you, it's a situation, So we're doing good with that and not causing issues between each other for no reason. Because honestly, everything's annoying right now. Everything. But we've got some cool architecture going on. Sure. So we decided before anything else to eat because we were walking and then we're just like, let's stop for food. So I got some tea because it's raining and I'm walking and I'm not really properly dressed right now. I mean, I am because I put on an extra sweater. But it's cold, and I'm not trying to get it cold and be sniffling when I still have more of my European tour. I just don't have time for it. So I got some Chinese tea. Let's see how it is. It'll do. It'll do. It's not bad. It's not bad. My first tea in London. Look at me. Cultured. We finally got our food with decent portions. I said decent. But yeah, we are ready. We are hungry. So, look, that's all you need to know. I don't have anything else to say to you. I have food to eat. Oh my God. I'm not cut out for this. So we're back to walking. About 10 minutes walk from the restaurant. And I know they said it rains in London a lot, but this does not have to be the way we're welcome to this place. So I'm a little vexed, but now that I have food in my system, we're much happier, or at least more ready for the challenge. But we're almost there. We're gonna be very wet. Airbnb lady's probably worried about us because I don't have Wi-Fi to tell her what's been up and all the toils we've been through. But we're gonna get there. A truck almost hit me. A nice old man asked me if I wanted his umbrella, but I'm like, I can't do that to you, sir. I didn't say that. I was just like, oh no, thank you. But I could really use an umbrella. That was one thing I did not put on my list. Drop the ball. Shame on me. I'm gonna put this on. We made it. Don't mind my outfit right now. I was cold, so I put on this sweater. But we made it. She's nice. Got some sunflowers here. Oops, almost knocked it off. But yeah, it's a really cute kitchen. So yeah, my Airbnb lady was knocking at the door, yeah? And she was just knocking, and I'm like, is that a knock? Kim's like, no, it's something, like she thought it was something else. And I'm like, okay. So then my Airbnb lady texts me. I was like, oh, I left my key inside. I'm like, meanwhile, I just been listening to her knocking. Oh, it stopped raining. We can go and enjoy a little bit. A little. I don't know how to open that. But yeah, I just love the light that this place is bringing in here. Don't y'all? Like, this right here is just perfect. Like, boom, boom, boom. Don't look, I'm not covered. But y'all, like, this is getting an awesome light. The light here, the light is great. So I just woke up from a nice little nap. He really didn't want to wake me up. But huh? It's true. We know we've both been irate and everything like that. Not really with each other, no, but like she just let me sleep. And then like I literally like just had one breath, like when I woke up, she's like, girl, you've been asleep for like I'm like, you could have woken me up. So I feel kind of bad, but I feel rejuvenated. I feel ready to go. About to go peruse this floor. I've run out of storage. How's my accent, you guys? Kind of trash? Okay, I know. But yeah, we're perusing the streets of London. Just seeing what's around. Just seeing what's around us. The rain won't stop us. We will not get rained on. Or, you know, this will not rain on our parade. Got our umbrella. Got our truck. Sure, we're going to the vintage shop. So we're in this little shop, and it's like the basement of it, but cute. Are those jeans? Hello. What you talking about? 26? Is it? 26? That's not bad. But is that the actual price, or are they about to? 29. Oh, we've been trying to get all freaking day. It should never be this hard. It should never be this hard. And I'm just sick of it. I'm tired of it. And we've been getting the runaround. We've been getting slightly hoed. You know what I'm saying? I'm a visitor, all right? I don't know all the ins and outs. I'm trying, though. Kind of like the Incredible Hulk, but now we know. Ooh. We don't need it. We're going to eat real food. Maybe we finish, maybe. That's what I was about to say. And then just think about the whole summer. We've put in work upon work. We're good for it. Yeah. Whatever we want, we got it. Because we deserve it.
Like, we smart ladies.
I agree.
These things, but like, y'all just tripping us up.
I agree.
Even though that's not a...
So we were just saying, day one of London has been interesting. Like, we really have put forth effort upon effort.
So much effort.
With good attitudes. And, you know, we keep getting...
Squashed. Pooped on.
Exactly.
Not fun.
Not fun, but we're just gonna go eat. And we're gonna make our game plan for tomorrow.
Yes.
And we're gonna execute. Alright?
Yep.
That's all you can do is execute.
They're gonna be like, who these bitches? And it's gonna be like, it's us girls. Or boys. All society.
Gender neutral. Oh,
Yeah.
Lord.
Whoever wants to know.
He, she, they, we.
All of the above. I don't care what you, I just know that we that bitch.
My name is Zada and I make Shakara. All day long, yes, ha ha ha, Shakara. Oh Lord, J Shakara. Oh Lord, J.